Can't stop you. They can fret and panic all they like about your new beginning, about what they don't want you to do, but they can't stop you. They can't stop your expansion. They can't stop your self-love. They can't stop your creativity. They can't stop you falling in love or others falling in love with you, though they may try and stop you and plot and plan and scheme. They cannot stop people's love for you. They cannot stop the fact that they cannot hide you. They cannot outshine you, act as if you are not important, because you are important. They cannot stop the new connections that you are going to gain in love, in friendship. They cannot separate anymore. And even if they try to separate you at a time, it was all for a reason, so that they can expose themselves about who they truly are. Someone that is very bitter, very mean-spirited, that takes pleasure of another person being hurt, projecting their unhealed wounds of abandonment, rejection, lack of love onto you. So they can't stop you. They can't stop your success, your victory, your growth, your healing, though they have tried to add more onto your plate to create more healing. They're just building up their karma points. They won't be able to stop the karma that's coming towards them. They try to isolate you, they will be isolated. They try to make you stay stuck in your head, they will be stuck in their head. They try to play mind games with you. They will be mentally conflicted, and the energy they threw at you will return tenfold. They try to block your love life. Their love life is going to be non-existent, or even if they are in a connection, they will lack love. They try to downplay you. They try to attack your mental state, your intelligence. People will be outsmarting them and leaving them out in the cold. Connections will break down, especially ones that are built on faulty ground. They won't be able to stop that, though. They won't be able to stop the fact that what they wanted for you is going to be their reality. They won't be able to stop that. They have many hidden enemies, and you are the least of their concern. They won't be able to stop the fact that the new beginning that they wanted for themselves, that they were in such a hurry and a race to get before you, is going to be stalled and stuck. Because this person has a lot of growing up to do. And they try to stop your growth because they could see that you are on the cusp of achieving greatness. Something that they feared, or that they fear they will never be able to achieve. And they resented you for your drive. They feel like they've missed a boat. They feel like they will not experience love. Maybe you are in a romantic relationship and they want the same type of love that you and your person have. They have to manufacture this type of love because they're not loving themselves. They are treating themselves as an afterthought, and that's what they're attracting. You prioritize yourself. So your partner or whoever you are connected to, or whoever you will connect with in the future, will also do the same. You are in a receiving energy. as well as in a given energy. You have a healthy balance. This person is selfish, and they are shocked when other people act that way towards them, leaving them trapped and stuck in the head. But you need to keep away from this person because they do project a lot at you. Whatever they're going through and whatever they are going to go through, which the cards are pointing at, ain't going to be pretty. And you don't want to be around when things actually go down. Because the very thing that they targeted you for is going to happen to them. You know, especially something to do with the mind, because they try to play a lot of mind games with you. They try to make you doubt yourself. They try to break you down. I don't know if this person knows that they're operating in this energy, which is a bit scary actually. Because they're very cold inside, and I feel like there's a lot of pain. And I'm not saying that it's scary to scare any of you, but I just feel like, I don't know if this person knows that they're acting in this way. There's a lot of source energy here. I feel like they are out of touch, or they may not have a lot of water in their chart at all. I'm not saying if you don't have water in your chart, you're like this, but you could have other elements in your chart that will balance things out. But I feel like this person is very blocked, and they're very cold. There's a coldness to this person. And it's like, if they are experiencing anything, they don't internalize it, meaning they don't feel what they're going through. They project outwardly onto other people. So say, for instance, this person feels isolated. They will then come around you and do things or say things to try and make you feel isolated. Say, for instance, this person's partner doesn't want to, I was about to swear, doesn't want to be around them anymore. They don't want to date them no more. They will then try and tell you that you're not worthy of dating. Does that make sense? Or they will try and point something out about your partner and yourself. When was the last time you got dated? Or, you know, because they are trying to deflect. Thank you, Spirit. They're trying to deflect what's going on with them.